Hey guys, Kelly here again, and it's been a month. Wow, it's been quite a while, but it feels like it's been longer than that. So how is everyone doing? I'm doing okay actually. I've only just started crocheting again. I lost my crojo in a massive way. So usually when I lose my crojo, I'll either go to knitting was boring there. I'll either go to writing up patterns. That was boring me. I'll go to buy some fresh wool. My wool arrived, I didn't want to do anything with it. I'll buy a new crochet hook. Did that. That didn't do anything for me. I'll go through all my pattern books. That didn't do anything for me. Like, the whole crafting thing just bored the life out of me. I'd start something like my mind would be telling me, I really want to do it, I want to do it. Like, there was a big gap missing from when I used to craft. And then it was just time spent doing nothing. I was just sat there doing absolutely nothing. But then I'd do other things as well, like I'd go to clean instead, it bored me. I'd go to decorate, it bored me. Everything. I've just had a whole month of everything bored me. So yeah, I've only just started crafting again, and it's still not exciting me to the extent that it used to, but I don't know. It's slowly getting there. I think maybe I just needed to do nothing. I just needed to do nothing. I just needed to push through with family stuff. I did start homeschooling the boys again, full time. Getting them prepared for going back to school, because they're going back to school on Thursday. So today's Monday, so yeah, they've only got a few more days. So yeah, I've just been pushing on through that and just getting house stuff done. Like, I am bidding for properties because I do want to move house. I've been shortlisted for a property, so I've kind of been packing away all the stuff that we don't use as much and putting it in the attic. Yeah, so I feel like there's just been a lot. I feel like maybe everything's boring me because I've just been so overwhelmed with the homeschooling, with work, with patterns, with, I don't know, even just being there for friends, like, because they're in the same boat, and then there's child minding and this, that and the other, and that's been overwhelming there. Yeah, it's just been everything, and I feel like I hit a brick wall. I hit a wall. Like, sometimes I'd just be going to bed and I'd just be, I don't know, like, not blubbering my eyes out, but I'd just be in tears, and I don't know why. Like, I don't know. It's weird. I have the boys in here with me.
Love you.
Love you too, babe.
Oh, smart. I love you.
So, yeah. That's how I've been. So there's no way I was picking up the camera. No way at all. I think I did 2 lives when I was sorting out the wool that I got from Jan's house to sell on eBay. And one when I was sorting out all my old projects. And the second live, I thought no one had joined in. I thought I had no friends whatsoever. No one had joined in, even though people had joined into my live like the hour before or whatever. But I pressed private. I didn't have it on public. So I was there thinking, like, the whole live scene came up and everything, like, my chat was there and this, that and the other, and I was just like, oh, no one's joining me, so I spent 50 minutes chatting away to myself while I was sorting everything out. Yeah, didn't realise that I'd pressed the settings onto private, so no one knew that I was there. That is how, I don't know, that's kind of like how this whole month has been. But yeah, so I've got nothing finished, absolutely nothing. My crochet hook is just a Clover 4.5mm, that's upstairs. But I did buy this wool. I got this wool off eBay, so...
And I was comfy.
Sorry babes, who's leaning on it? So it's New Fashion Double Knitting by Woolcraft. There's this bag of 10, and it was only, so it was only like £15 including postage. It's my remote, remind me, I always lose that. So it's this flecked, cream flex though. Right, so yeah, 10 balls, I think it was $14.99, and I can't remember where I was up to. I can't remember what I was saying now. I had to cut in, chat with the kids a minute. So I thought that didn't excite me. But I did start working on the top with it yesterday, and using a stitch that I'm really in love with. So you know what I'm like, if I start to like something I become obsessed. So you might see a lot of things made out of this one stitch. But oh well. If it makes me happy, then you know, I'll just be happy to be crafting again, to be honest with you. So yeah, Jamal saw it and he really liked it, and he asked me to make him a top using the same stitch with this wool. So I'm going to make him a jumper with it. And Usman really liked the stitch, but he likes the Ice Magic Light that I got for my birthday, the kind of turquoisey shade. So I'm going to do him the same jumper as Jamal, but in that wool. So yeah, that's my plan. I'm thinking as well of the projects that I have on the go. I'm just going to frog them all. I'm just going to unwind them all, even if I have to start the tops again, because I don't want to pick up where I've left off. The fingering weight one, I don't like the wool for that top at all. I feel like the top is looking very ugly, and it's just not exciting me. So I'm going to find something else to wear that same top, because I have to make that same top, because I still want to do every pattern in that book. But I don't like that pinkish purple wool for the top. I think it just looks butt ugly. So I'm going to frog that. There's a couple of other things as well that I've got on the go, and I'm just going to frog them. I'm just going to start fresh, I think. I feel like that's what I need. I just need to start completely fresh. So yeah, that's my future plans, my future projects, and yeah, my future fresh crafty start. So yeah, let me show you what I've been working on. So this is the top that I started yesterday. It's going to be a short top again, just to wear over a dress. I feel like I'm going to do not exactly t-shirt sleeve, but just a touch of a sleeve. Right, so this is the front. And look at that stitch. It's very pretty, isn't it? So see what I mean, how it's just going to be short. I'll put a little band on it at the bottom. And then I've done the back as well. So I just need to sew up the ends, and I could probably get that finished today if I have time tonight. And then that'll be a project done, won't it? First project in a month. Wow. It's not like me, that is it. So the next one that I've been working on is using Ice Magic Light. I was using this purpley pinky shades, and all I'm doing is granny square. So I'm going to make a shrug. I'm just going to do like a cocoon type shrug with it. Why not? Why not? It's something simple. I actually started this about 3 weeks ago, and this is what I'm up to. Because I thought if I do something dead basic, granny square shrug, like, you know, you can do that in your sleep, can't you? Dead simple. dead basic. I thought, yeah, something like that will get me going again. It'll get my crojo like back. But no, 3 weeks later it's still not finished. So yeah, that is everything that I have going. I know it's not much, is there? But I thought I'd better give you an update because it's been a month. But yeah, I feel like everyone that I know personally who crafts, they've all lost the crojo this month. Like, Jan's not crafting, Denise hasn't really been crafting. Yeah, Ruthie and Kimberly, like, they've not been crafting. Oh no, just Sonia. Yeah, she's been doing colouring pages. Yeah, no one's been really working on the wool stuff. We all need to get our backsides into gear, don't we? Right, so the rest of the day I did open up my eBay shop and I've got like 5 things on there before eBay told me that that's it, I've reached my limit. So I had to apply to get a bigger limit. So I got that, I got my code. And now I'm going to add some more wool. So I have, let me show you. See all that wool on the floor? This is all what I'm going to sort pictures out for today. And then hopefully I'm going to get them listed tomorrow. Spend the day listing them tomorrow. Because the boys are going back on Thursday, so I've actually given them these 3 days off as like a holiday. Finish up the summer holidays now. We've just done a couple of weeks homeschooling. Finish off these summer holidays just as holiday and then back to school on Thursday. So these 3 days I want to get my eBay shop set up properly. So when they are back at school, I want to start working more on my Wix shop. Because I've not added anything on there, because I've not been making anything. I've not been adding anything onto it. So I've not been promoting it either. So yeah. Yep, I need to work. I need to get back into the swing of things. I feel like I've just, all my schedules are kaput. They're just gone. So yeah, if I do that once the boys go back to school, then I can start to work on my old schedule back in, because that works for me. We can get back to how things was, instead of all this craziness, all this upheaval that helps nobody. Right, and then that's going to be me for today. So I'm very sorry that it's been a very rambly video, because I've rambled on quite a bit. And thank you for watching me and sticking with me. I hate seeing everything I've got to do in front of me, because that overwhelms me as well. But if I didn't get it all out yesterday, then I wouldn't have worked on it, because I need to see it there. I need it to overwhelm me to push me to do it. But yeah, I'll try and get all them pictures done, and then I want to finish this today. I feel like I will feel like I've achieved something if I get these things done. I love the stitch pattern on this. It makes a really nice fabric. It feels lovely. Yeah, so I need to start writing this up actually. Because this is, I'm not copying a pattern, I'm making it up as I go. So if I write up my notes, then I can write up the pattern once I is done, innit? But yeah, I really like this wool. I like the way it's working up. Usually I don't like flat wool, because I feel like I'm just going to be picking it out, and this top's going to be for me. So yeah, I feel like with this stitch, I feel like I'll like it, because I like the way it's working up. I'm not going to keep picking it like I've got just bits on it. Right, anyway, I'm rambling again. I'm doing it. Right, so I need to go. I need to do some work. And I hope you all have a very, very, very good day. I hope it won't be another month until I make another video. But we shall see how that goes. And I'll see you on the next one. Happy crafting. Bye.